Hi guys, and today I'm going to show you my assessment I've done for my IT assessment. I've chosen the 5 to 6 level challenge, the merit challenge. So this is my code. As you can see, it is preferably long. I couldn't find a way to shorten it. So in this assessment, I've shown the skills of randomness, user input, sequences, and repetition, with also variables and decisions. So now I'm going to show you how my code works exactly. So first, the code starts off with the user pressing the spacebar to continue the code. So when the spacebar is pressed, inputs from the previous goals are cleared and the variable is set to 0. The sprite goes to the center of the screen and points the right way. So the sprite actually says hi there, and then it tells you instructions for like the further continuing of the program, the code. So it says here that you have to press A if you want the list of words for each shape, so it can help the user decide which shape it wants, he or she wants. And if you don't, you can continue with the code by pressing C. If you do choose to press A to see the instruction log, here it is. So it starts off when the A key press. So it clears from the previous inputs and does everything at the start from back then. So first it says that this is the instruction log, and then it says all the inputs that are supposed to be used for answers, like here, like a decagon, 10 sides, just in case if the user does not know the words for the shape of sides. And at the end of instructions, press spacebar to exit. Now what spacebar actually does is continues this program. So again, it goes through this. Now this time, if you press C to continue, the rest of the code will start. So again, it clears and puts the sprite in the right position, and then it asks the user what shape do you want to draw, which gives an example of user input. We've already done examples of sequences and repetition. So this is user input. So it sets the variable sides to the answer. So let me just press C. So it puts me in the correct position and asks me what shape I want to draw. So let's say I want to draw a triangle. It actually draws a triangle. So basically what it does is sets the variable to the answer the user typed in. So here's the variable, you can see it's triangle. Automatically changes however the user wants it to. So here's the tricky bit. This is how exactly is the answer going to continue a code. So this is how you do it. You use a control if block. So basically it sets the answer if it says if the answer is line, then do the following code up till here. So basically the computer tracks which answer matches which code, and then it continues by following that code. So let's say I did triangle. So if the answer matched triangle, then it went to a random place. This shows the skill of coding, like randomness. So for any reason, if it does touch the edge, this is a precaution, so it just redoes the choosing of picking the random just in case. So the first thing it does is sets the pen color to white so you can see it on the background, and then puts the pen down. So this repeats this little bit of code here for 3 times because there's 3 sides. So this code basically writes a side. So it actually puts the pen down and moves 150 steps and turns 120 degrees. That would create one side of the triangle. So if you repeated it 3 times, it would create a triangle. And then it puts the pen up, puts it in the right position, and just says done, just for a bit of. Now, this code actually does that for every single thing. So there's line and triangle, square, pentagon, all the way down to here, what we call a decagon, which has 10 sides. And that is my